Hey guys, Sarah here, everybody's here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Boxyluxe for June 2019. This box is $49.99 every 3 months. So March, June, September, and December. You must be a current BoxyCharm subscriber to upgrade to this box. And then you get, it's like a lifestyle box. You get skincare, hair care, makeup, things like that, and it's supposed to be valued at $250 or more. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the value of the box to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this up. All right. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It's got this little foam in here, and it'll have, and it's gonna have this little card right here. The theme this month is Getaway. And then on the back here, it's going to have the values of everything that we're getting in our box, so we won't peek at that. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out right on top is from Living Proof, which is a cruelty-free brand. This is the Full Dry Volume Blast. It's an instant lasting volume and texture spray. So styling and finishing spray, it says at the bottom. So there it is, definitely full-sized. I don't use texturizing spray a ton, but I do, I could go for some volume. So I definitely will give this a try. I'm excited to have it. I like the way their stuff smells. Let's go ahead and give it a little spritz. It smells nice. I like the way it smells. It smells really good. Just like a nice clean scent. So yeah, excited to get that. Let's go ahead and get a full-size value on that item. Okay, so the Living Proof texturizing spray is valued at $29. So a bit pricey. Alright, so the next thing I am pulling out is from PYT. It's in this nice little like satin sort of bag. So this looks to be like a mini hair dryer of sorts. It's really cute. It's got like it's like pink / coral. It's like a matte finish on it. It's got 2 settings, it looks like 230 volt or 120 volt. And then it also has like this little diffuser that goes with it. There's that. There's also something else in this bag. What is that? Oh, it's got whatever this attachment is. Here's the truth. I don't blow dry my hair. I have a blow dryer that I've probably had since I was 12. I rarely blow dry my hair. Maybe like once a year and that's being generous. Like I just don't blow dry my hair. I like to let it air dry. It's just not good for me personally to put so much heat on my hair. So I like, to save the heat for like styling, not so much blow drying. So I'm not going to use this, even though it's like super cute and I would love to like pretend like I'm going to use this. I know I'm not. So I'm just going to throw this into a giveaway or give it to a friend. But let's go ahead and get a value on that. It's valued at $85, which is bananas to me. I don't think I'd pay more than like 20 bucks for a hairdryer. I don't know what makes that so special to be $85 or any hairdryer in my opinion. So there's that. Okay, let's see what the next thing we have. Looks like it's from Farmacy, which is a cruelty-free brand. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So there's the packaging. It's really cute. Okay, the packaging is like really nice. It's like a frosted glass sort of deal. And then you take off the lid and it's got a little pump on it. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like. It's very perfumey. Or no, it's not perfumey. I don't know what that smells like. I don't like it. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. It's like, I don't know. It smells a little rotten personally in my opinion, but I don't know. I could deal with it maybe. I don't know. I'll give it a try and see if it's something that bothers me, but like initially I don't like the way it smells. Okay, and the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow is valued at $58. Wow. That's a lot of money. So, but interesting. This is made exclusively for BoxyCharm. So is this something that they don't actually make, or is it just like this size or this box? I don't know. Interesting. Okay, so there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Dr. Brandt, which is not a cruelty-free brand. This is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. What the heck? So there's that. I'm not going to even, I mean, I'm sure it's got a safety seal, so I think, yeah. I'm just going to throw this into a giveaway. Not something for me. I've heard really, really good things about this brand, but me personally, I'm just not going to use it. So there's that, and it's valued at $35. So again, pretty pricey for a cleanser, in my opinion. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Skin&Co, which I believe is cruelty-free. Yes, it is. This is the Aqua Illumin... I think that's another language. Let's try again. This is the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. In the scent, I think, Radiant Dew. Smells like minty a little bit, I will say. I don't know if you can see it on my arm. I don't know if it does have a little bit of shimmer, so not like a ton. I like the way it smells a lot though. And it does feel like refreshing, like that minty feeling, like it feels nice. So I think I will definitely use this, especially in the summertime. So yeah, really excited to try that. And it's valued at $35 again. So, you know, a little bit expensive for this tiny bottle, but I'm glad I only paid $49 for this box. So there's that. Okay, the next thing I am seeing is from Trestique, which I think is cruelty-free. I believe they are. Yes, they are. Cruelty-free and vegan. This is, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what this is. What is this? Good Vibes Mascara. Like, this is giant. Okay, let's see what this is. So it's a all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so it comes like this, right? And then you just pull that, and then that's the eyelash curler. So that's sort of interesting. I don't know how I feel about putting my face into this though. I feel like my eyelashes are too big for this. It's not like enough room. So that's interesting. Okay, let's see what the mascara is. Okay, so there's the wand. It is a voluminizing wand, but it is a little bit thinner than some that I've seen. So I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think I would use the eyelash curler. I just don't think it's wide enough. Like, whose eyes are that little? I don't know, not mine. So, while I think this is very cool and like innovative, I also think it's kind of wasteful. Like, this is a lot of packaging for like what you change your mascara like so often that I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot of waste in my opinion when I can just buy an eyelash curler that I'm gonna have forever. So there's that, and that is valued at $25. So again, a little bit expensive, but I also think you're paying partly for the curler itself. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out of here is from Dominique Cosmetics, which I've never tried. I do like the packaging though, it's super cute. Sorry if it's getting dark. The sun's going down, so it's gonna get a little dark, and it's just me in my kitchen, so enjoy some poor lighting for a little bit. But this is, what is this? I'm sorry, I got distracted. This is some sort of lip product, I think, in Strawberry Lemonade. So let's go ahead and open her up. So there it is, it's like hot pink. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this, honestly. It smells like cake, so it's weird that it's called Strawberry Lemonade, but it literally smells like cake. So yeah, it's like a gloss that like barely has any color. Like, I can show you my hand, but it's so light. I don't even think you can, yeah, you can just see it's like got the slightest little tint there. So it feels really glossy and sticky, so it's probably not something I'm going to use, so I'll probably just pass this along to someone else. Let's see, and that's valued at $17. All right, two more things. The next one I'm pulling out is from Touch in Sol. This is the No Poreblem Prime Essence, which I really enjoy their primer, so I'm curious to see what this is exactly. Okay, so it's just like a primer, so let's go ahead and see what it is. So there's the packaging. I really like that. It looks really nice. It's got a twist off lid. Oh, it's very liquidy. It's very like serum-like. It has like a very serum-y sort of feel. So yeah. All I smell is that Farmacy stuff. So I don't think it has a scent, so definitely interested to try that. It feels like it's gonna be super, super moisturizing. I'm a person who uses primer but doesn't really think it does anything, so I like really hydrating ones. I feel like they're good for my skin. So that way, at least if they're not keeping my makeup on longer, they're hydrating me. So there's that, and that's valued at $23. So as far as primers goes, I don't think that's too expensive, but it's so liquidy. Excited to have that. Okay, one more thing. This is from Tarte, which if you didn't know, I really, really love Tarte. It's sort of a problem. This is BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. So there it is. It's really cute. They always kill the packaging game. Like, it looks so nice. I do have one of their little palettes like this. I think I got in a BoxyCharm as well. It's got that like tart chocolate scent on it. So there it is. It's just some browns, which I have a problem with browns. It's like my favorite to wear. So I'm not going to swatch this quite yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this or give it away, just because I have so many palettes so similar to this. So we're going to wait and see on that. But me personally, I enjoy Tarte's eyeshadows. I know some people don't care for them, but I like them. Most of them have been pretty good to me. If you didn't know, Tarte is cruelty free, and this is valued at $36. So let me go ahead and real quick and get a value on this box. Okay, so the value on that is $343, so definitely the value's there. I don't know what it is. I feel like regular BoxyCharm value is going down. Maybe some more people will get this. I don't know, but I'm impressed with these. Every time I get them, I think like the value is through the roof. The only thing that I'm not, there's two things I'm not, three. So I'm not going to use the Dr. Brandt because it's not cruelty free. I'm not going to use the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss just because I don't like lip gloss. And the PYT hairdryer thing just because I don't use hairdryer. So the only other weird thing that I'm iffy about is the mascara. So I'll give it a try. The curling thing is bizarre to me personally. I would love to know, do you guys get Boxyluxe? And if you did you get did we get the same thing? I think there are variations to this box, but I don't know how much of a variation. So curious to hear if you guys get this box and if you got the same thing as me. But as always, if you guys like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up right down there. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that jazz, and hopefully in better lighting when the sun's not going down, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.